Jesus.
Money go tell you.
What type of plane is this?
See my tell you, that gate stay locked. Give me key, my go open now.
I'm coming.
Wait. So you get this guy food for us, that allow me go 7 rounds. Not even give me bottle water drink.
Why should I give you bottle water? You're my sugar boy and nothing more. Wait here, let me go and get the key.
Your sugar boy no dey chop now, just to knock. I been bring you back come for this house, Daddy.
One man begin. Hey.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Beto.
Sir?
Leave those dogs for me.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Yes.